Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab. Select the text edit by writing. Size the letter. Change the color. Duplicate the letter. Change the color. Then select the 3D shape. The path 10. Extraction. Select the shadow. Change the background color. Duplicate the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.